Hey, what's up everyone? Sam here, and today I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. This is the latest flagship smartphone from Apple. It's the best Apple iPhone you can get at this current time. I know I'm a bit late to the party. I know this has been around for quite a few months now, but hey, better late than never. So, let's just crack it open and get straight to it. No boring introduction. So let's peel the plastic away. Now with this iPhone, they, famously didn't give you anything in the box other than the phone pretty much. And as you can see, a lightning cable and, well, their little pin removal tool and boring stuff like that. So let's just pop all that back in. We don't care about that. Box, quality of packaging as you would expect from Apple, all the same old good stuff. Now, this is the actual phone itself. Straight away, there's one thing, hate or love Apple. I've got a love-hate relationship with Apple, but you cannot deny just how lovely they make their phones. I mean, look at it. Oh my God, does it feel nice. I mean, I gotta say, look, I have a love-hate relationship with Apple. I think it's ridiculous they didn't give you a charging brick or headphones in the box. I think they really know how to piss people off, but at the end of the day, it's Apple. Apple could sell you a phone with no screen and people will go, yeah, good idea. Do you know what I mean? It's Apple. You just have to kind of accept them for who they are and just enjoy their products. But you gotta give them one thing. When it comes to design, they really know how to make a good looking quality product. I mean, the only thing about this bezel here, the side metal, it's really prone to fingerprints, as you can imagine. The back is not really glossy other than the logo, so the back doesn't really attract fingerprints, but the side, Jesus, I mean, that is fingerprints galore, literally. Wow, crazy. But anyway, I'm not going to focus too much on some of the more boring aspects of the upgrade. I think the main big thing Apple has changed is really the camera. They've done some major improvements, so especially on the 12 Pro Max. So I think this video is going to be more about the camera than anything else. I am going to compare it to older generation iPhones, which I have here, and compare the camera quality and really see, is it worth actually upgrading? Because that's the true question here. Because if you're looking to get this phone, you probably already are an Apple user. You probably already got an Apple or an iPhone, and you're thinking, well, is it really worth upgrading? Well, let's take a look, and I'll give you my honest verdict. Is it actually worth upgrading? Because this isn't cheap. These phones aren't cheap, so always keep that in mind. All right, let's boot it up. So here we have the iPhone 7, iPhone XS, and obviously the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Screen-wise, you can see just how much bigger the newer one is. Absolutely ridiculous. Really is a step up. And I have to say, screen quality, very hard to show on camera, but there is a clear difference with the crispness. And I would say I can actually see a clear difference on the crispness of the screen on the iPhone 12 Pro Max compared to the 7 and the XS. Obviously, size-wise, there's a huge difference. You're probably going to get used to, such a bigger size. As you can see, it's quite a bit bigger compared to like the iPhone 7. I mean, it absolutely dwarfs it. So let's put these phones to the side for now. Back-wise, in fact, that's a good idea. Let's actually show the back. I don't want to scratch any of this. Ugh. Be very careful. Back-wise, as you can see, 1 camera, 2, 3 is really just the evolution of iPhones. Back, there's really not that much difference, only really the camera. Side bezels, they used to have these curved design, as you can see, whereas the new one is a nice sort of rectangular straight cut, which I really do prefer. It kind of has a better feel to it. You feel a bit more stable. The curved one It feels a little bit more like it will slip out of your hand. But you know, design wise, there isn't that huge of a difference. It's still very noticeably an iPhone. Show a selfie, but I'll take a selfie now. And then exact same selfie with the old one. And I'll put it side by side. You guys can have a look which one looks better. There's clearly a sharp improvement in the image quality. There's definitely a lot more detail in the pictures, 100%. I'm going to do a video and photo test with all three of these iPhones. I know they're not in series, I know I'm missing a few, but you know, I'm not going to buy other iPhones just to kind of show you the evolution. These are the three I happen to have. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, put it side by side, and well, you guys can see the difference. Okay, so I ran a test with all the pictures, as you can see. Camera wise, I gotta say, looking back, there is a noticeable difference. The question is it really, is it worth the upgrade? Look, it really depends. I mean, as a phone, yes, it's been improved in many other aspects, but strictly, I'm just gonna focus on the camera in this video. Like I said, I will be doing more, reviews about the rest of it, but for this video, it's camera only. Simply because otherwise it would just be such a long video and no one will watch it. I think camera-wise, if you're still back on like the iPhone 7, hell yeah, you'll notice a huge difference between the two. If you're still like many generations back in the iPhone, definitely an upgrade is about time, I would say, and you would notice a big difference, and it'll be like really stepping into a whole new phone. But if you have just got like the last model, then I really can't say that there is that much difference. Is it worth the upgrade? It really depends how much money you have to blow. I mean, that's the reality of it, right? Like I said, I think things like cameras and stuff really only improve after a few generations. You really notice it. But for the casual viewer, someone who's just here and there, literally who's just like taking pictures here and there, nothing professional, obviously, then really I can't say there's going to be a massive difference. I really wouldn't say it warrants the price tag or the upgrade. But again, it's entirely up to you. You've seen the differences in quality. You've seen the iPhone camera quality, you've seen the video quality. Yeah, I mean, I gotta say, it's a beautiful phone. All round, it's a fantastic phone. It really does only come down to, is it the right phone for you? Do you want it? I'm sure you probably do, but you know, is it worth the money? That's what it comes down to. You've seen the quality now, so that's pretty much it for now. There are obviously a lot more features to do with this phone, but for now, that's all. So like I said, if there's something you really specifically want to see on this phone, let me know in the comments below. I will do a video about it and, you know, comparing it if possible. And yeah, like I said, that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Gotta say, Apple smashed it with the design and the feel of it. Beautiful. The camera is very, very good. There's no question of a doubt. But then again, the previous phone was also very, very good. So yeah. But anyway, guys, hit that notification button. Also hit that subscribe button probably first if you haven't. Like, comment, all that good stuff. You know what it is. Yeah. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, feed your mind.